heritage and the aspect of linking that is absolutely there. The site that you're saying in the assembly site, in fact, you're aware that the assembly got burnt almost about 20 years back, and therefore there is not much left of it. But we have not touched it in any way, if you realized and if you noticed, and we have left it as it is right now because we had to function some of the assembly work from there. But as soon as we shift from there to the new assembly site, which the construction is going on, you must have seen along the way, by September 2024, we expected to inaugurate it. So definitely we have a plan along with the speaker to have a small museum or some kind of a site there where we could have some section of that area, maybe not the whole area in that. So like that, yes, there are many other sites, not just in Shillong, not just in Meghalaya state, but all over the northeast and all over the country. So definitely heritage tourism is definitely part of the strategy overall for our state and for many other states. Not much left, sadly. That's what happened. It's got burnt quite a lot. But we will see how far we could preserve whatever is left and have some kind of museum and experience for the people. Because it was the assembly that was used before during the undivided Assam time when Shillong was a capital. So it has a lot of history. Our Raj Bhavan has a huge history because it was built during the early British time. Like that, the Rabindranath Tagore, the house is there, the museum is there, and the hall is there. So there's this, like that, there are so many other sites of heritage tourism.